Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance Hey Eagle. The song is Eagle, the artist is Kennedy RYON, and the choreographer is YNETTIA Branch Oliver. If you are someone you know is interested in the cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, make sure you check out the choreographer, and also I'll post one at the end of this video. And here we go. And there you go. Is that cute or what? Make sure you check out the choreographer. Also check out my instructional. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.